Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing devices for a direct wired connection. First, plug a CAT5E or CAT6 Ethernet cable into your Xbox One and into the PC or laptop you'll share internet from. Once done, disable Wi-Fi on both devices so traffic routes only through the cable. Next, decide whether you'll use internet connection sharing on Windows or create a network bridge. Both work, but sharing is faster to set up. Make sure the PC has an active internet source to forward to the console. Now configure addressing and sharing so the Xbox gets routed traffic. On the Xbox, go to Network Settings and select Manual IP. Assign 192.168.0.2 with subnet 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway 192.168.0.1 DNS 8 or your preference. On the PC, open Network Connections. Right-click the adapter with Internet, choose Properties, Sharing tab, then allow other network users to connect. Select the Ethernet adapter linked to the Xbox. If you prefer, create a bridge instead. Either approach assigns routes and enables internet flow. Finish by testing connectivity on the Xbox. Run the network test and confirm you see an IP and internet access. Check NAT type if multiplayer matters. If it fails, reboot both devices and re-verify the manual IP and DNS entries on the console. Make sure the PC's sharing setting still targets the correct Ethernet adapter. A single useful troubleshooting tip: if older gear won't link, try a crossover cable or replace the cable. Physical layer issues are a frequent cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.